So in today's episode we are going to learn how to change the color of the foliage or any other color in Kdenlive with this one single filter, a very powerful one. Let's see how to do it. Okay, so first thing, drop your clip. Now go to color correction, choose CMYK, adjust, and drop it to the clip. So when you choose the color range, you will see that we have reds, yellows, greens, cyans, blues, magentas, whites, neutrals, and blacks. All of these colors you can adjust separately. So let's start with the reds. So if you take a look at the color wheel, you will see that the cyan, you will see that the opposite of cyan is red. So by removing cyan, we will add more red, as you can see in the clip here. If we add more cyan, we are taking away a little bit of red, and this is how this filter works. So you can see reds mostly in the skin tones, so let's leave that out. Go to yellows. So let's add more reds into the yellows by taking out a little bit of cyan and see what will happen. So most of the green color that we see in the grass and trees is mostly yellow color. So by adding a little bit of red into the color yellow, we are shifting its hue. So let's keep playing with the sliders, and the magentas, of course, will add a little bit more. Yellows, you can desaturate the yellow or saturate it even a little bit more, but we will leave that alone. Now the blacks, when you add a black or take away black from the color, it's like the saturation or the lightness of the color. See how it affects the color lightness. Now since our skin tone is changed by the color yellow, we can go back to the reds and lighten it up a little bit, just enough to return back the original skin tone, at least a little bit. And let's play with the cyan a little more and take away a little bit of red. So let's see the before and after. Just keep comparing the before and the after to get the skin tone a little bit back. You can play around a little bit more, but for the sake of this tutorial I will go faster. Then go to the greens. Now we will add a little bit red again in the greens. So let's play with the magenta also and see what results it's going to give us. Okay, and the yellows. And the blacks. So this is how you can manipulate the colors in Kdenlive, and of course you can play around and take your time by adjusting the colors accordingly, whatever affects the other. Go back and forth and try to always compare the before and the after to get your colors right. And after you finished your settings, you can always save whatever you have done by clicking this button and save effect. Or you have some multiple filters and you want to group them, just create a group, then drag and drop whatever effects you want in that group, then save it, as I did in my case here. It will be under custom, and I called this one day because I did this effect in the daytime. So you can do multiple presets to make it easier for you. So if I take this effect and drop it in here, you will see that it will change it immediately, and this is very effective. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this will help you in your future video edits and increasing your video quality. Thank you very much.